Hello guys, this video is recorded to display some function and the performance of our SHYSKY DC60G-24120A-1 speed adjustable micro brushless DC water pump. This pump works at 24 volts DC with rated power consumption about 120 watts. The maximum steady lift of this pump can reach about 12 meters, and the maximum horizontal flow rate of this pump is about 3,800 liters per hour. In US gallons, it's about 1,003 US gallons per hour. Okay, this is the pump which we already powered with the matching DC 24 volts DC power supply. The right indicator output voltage 24 volts DC. Without any doubt, this pump is currently in dry run status, and what I show is the dry run protection mechanism that is automatically triggered in this abnormal and illegal situation. Okay, when in dry run status, without water inflow or with insufficient water inflow, its protection mechanism will be triggered, and you will access this run and stop circle rather than continuously high speed running, to reduce the physical friction and heat generation in this abnormal situation. Okay, so our pump, we place it underwater to see its normal water pumping performance. As we can see, the pump runs continuously when it is in full water scenario. This is the normal water pumping performance. In the meantime, let's inspect the electrical parameters in this situation. At 24 volts DC, the meter indicator is the power consumption 116 watts with this working current about 4.8 amps. Okay. We will place this pump underwater and feel its noise class. In the meantime, our pump supports being power regulated, namely speed adjustable through rotating this potentiometer knob. We can adjust the power from higher to lower. Okay. Now the pump actually stops and the power consumption is about 0.3 watts. We reverse the power regulation. Okay, now the potentiometer knob is adjusted to the maximum point. And let's take a look at this pump running once again. Let's get the pump out of water to see its dry run protection once again. You will turn this continuous running and low speed running, right? And the pump, when it recovers back to the full water inflow situation, let's inspect the normal running speed. Okay, this video is recorded about SHYSKY DC60G-24120A-1 model, speed adjustable with dry run protection.